You are watching this video because you probably also want to learn how to edit and how I edit my Instagram photos as a complete beginner. And I've got some good news for you. You know what? Because most people, including me, use Lightroom or edit them on their computer and it might seem a little bit complicated. You gotta download presets, stuff like that, but there's a very simple way to do it from your phone. iPhone, Android works on both operating systems and there's free apps to do it. So if you want to learn how to edit photos on Instagram in a very simple way, from your iPhone, like this video for the YouTube algorithm and grab two things. First, you know what it is, a cup of coffee because you're awesome, and second of all, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're interested in more Instagram how-to videos. There's two apps that you'll very much need to download if you wanna up your Instagram game. On the App Store, Google Play Store or App Store, click on search and type in Facetune. I don't really use that, but a lot of people do. The reason is, and I've actually used it before. Ooh, I got exposed. I actually use the J function on Photoshop. I use it, you know, if I have a pimple like I do too right now and I have a thumbnail, I don't want this to distract people from the main text that I have, so I would use the J function on Photoshop. But as we said, a better way is to actually use Facetune. There's a free version right here. Let's download it so I can show you how it works. And then while it's downloading, I will also use another app that has a lot of free filters and it's actually called VSCO. And you're probably like me and you have no idea where you install your stuff. Okay, while Facetune is actually downloading, let's start with VSCO, I guess. So on VSCO you have a bunch of filters, as I said, and a lot of them are free. One of the filters that are an instant win for me is the C1 and the G3, G and M3 filters. Sometimes I use M5 as well, and it's really easy to just use the filter like that and edit stuff. For example, if you just C1 is the cinematic filter. If you just use like something like M5, it works really well on this picture. It's a cold weather, so if we just go on the white balance and even lose some temperature, it's becoming very epic. I don't know, it really depends on your feed. You can make it a little bit hotter if you raise the temperature. I don't know, it's something like this looks really good, and it also has a cinematic view to it. But again, I'm no professional, so this is how I just edit my photos. You can just apply a filter and it works, right? Something like this for my dog. You can see it has the C1 filter. Without the filter, with filter. It's that easy, and you don't have to be a professional. I'm not a professional. I just use filters. I use filters on Lightroom and it's a little bit easier for me to work there, but whatever, it works. So now we'll go ahead and check out Facetune, and we already have some photo right here that we can work with. And if we just click the retouch option, we can try the healing stuff and remove all her pimples, remove this, yeah, it's really easy. You just remove stuff with the healing option. You also have the auto function, which should clear a bunch of stuff very quickly. The whiten, if there's any teeth, you can show in the picture someone is smiling. Smooth, you can smoothen the skin, but also it might look too fake if you do that. So yeah, that's it. That's how I edit my Instagram photos. I actually edit them in a very simple way, 1-2 apps and you're done. And you know what? I can shout your Instagram out. I have around 20k followers on Instagram. Just comment your Instagram username down below, and if you want me to shout you out not only on one of the next videos but also on Instagram, comment that you want to be shouted out on my Instagram stories as well. Remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video you should definitely check one of these videos out. See you in the next one. Bye.